Today we learn 50 daily use English sentences in school, in the classroom. May I come in, ma'am? May I come in, ma'am? Please give me permission to sit. Please give me permission to sit. Can I open the window? Can I open the window? Please close the door. Please close the door. May I drink water? May I drink water? Please repeat it once again. Please repeat it once again. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. Can you explain it again? Can you explain it again? This is my homework notebook. This is my homework notebook. I forgot to bring my book. I forgot to bring my book. With friends. What is today's homework? What is today's homework? Can you lend me your pen? Can you lend me your pen? Please share your book with me. Please share your book with me. Let's study together. Let's study together. Can you help me in the question? Can you help me in this question? I like your handwriting. I like your handwriting. Shall we play in the break time? Shall we play in the break time? Please don't make noise. Please don't make noise. Can you wait for me after school? Can you wait for me after school? Let's sit together. Let's sit together. During break. What will you eat in lunch? What will you eat in lunch? Can I have some chips? Can I have some chips? Do you want to share my sandwich? Do you want to share my sandwich? Please don't waste food. Please don't waste food. Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the playground. I am feeling thirsty. I am feeling thirsty. Where is the water cooler? Where is the water cooler? Let's play cricket. Let's play cricket. Can you pass me the ball? Can you pass me the ball? Time is over. Let's go back to class. Talking to teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. May I answer the question? May I answer the question? Please check my notebook. Please check my notebook. I completed my homework. I completed my homework. I could not do my homework. I could not do my homework. May I go to the washroom? May I go to the washroom? Please allow me to go home early. Please allow me to go home early. Could you please explain this chapter? Could you please explain this chapter? I am sorry, I am late. I am sorry, I am late. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. Common school use. What period is this? What period is this? Today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. Please stand in a line. Please stand in a line. Don't push me. Don't push me. Sit quietly. Sit quietly. Sit quietly. Let's go to the library. Let's go to the library. This is my classroom. This is my classroom. Please switch on the fan. Please switch on the fan. Who is the class monitor? Who is the class monitor? The bell has rung. The bell has rung. The bell has rung. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.